This ship doesn't carry cargo or passengers. It works deep in the oceans to keep continents connected through communication. When undersea internet cables are damaged, the ship uses special equipment to bring the cable to the surface. The damaged section is carefully cut and replaced, with the fiber connections meticulously repaired, and the cable is then laid back onto the ocean floor. Thanks to these quiet operations, we can communicate with the other side of the world in seconds. This engineering marvel beneath the oceans keeps us all connected without us even realizing it.